Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup panning, and things in my real life. If this is something you're interested in, like the 50 Shades of Green Project Pan, then stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, and let's get into today's video. Today we have an update for 50 Shades of Green. This is a Pantastic Ladies collab group project. It was created by Jessica, Amanda, and Cece, and is all about panning items that are green. Either the product is green, the packaging is green, there's green in the name, there's green in the ingredients, green in however you see fit to associate it with green. And it started on April 15th and it goes until April 15th of 2023. So I have currently brought in 22 products so far and have finished 6. So let's see what I'm working on, if I can roll anything out, and what I'm rolling in. To begin with, I brought in my Not Your Mother's Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Conditioner. It wasn't showing too much progress, but it is now. I've gone ahead and marked it here, giving it the best squeeze test I can to where I think it is going. And this is going fairly well now. I've only used it 3 times over the last month, but that's not too bad, bringing me to a total of 17 uses in this project so far. Next up is my Alba Botanicals Very Emollient Cream Shave in Coconut Lime. I have used this twice over the last month, bringing me to 9 uses, and I could see a demarcation right there today, so a little bit of progress. It is getting to the fatter part, so, but I don't use a whole lot and I don't shave that often, so, 2 uses and it's slow going. It'll be here for a while. Next, we're going to get into makeup. And I brought in this palette right here. This is the I Heart Revolution Heartbreakers Lucky palette. I brought in shades 1, 4, and 7. The first shade, shade 1, I did not use this month. No, I did. I used it today. I didn't mark all my uses. I used it today in the middle of my look. So that's 1 use this month. My goal is 20 uses. That is 9 uses in the project so far. Shade number 4, I have used 3 times this month, including today. It is in the inner corner of my look and inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight. Ooh, it's everywhere. It's a nice shiny color. And I have used that, I believe I just said, 3 times this month. And that brings me to a total of 10 uses in this project, so 10 more uses to go. I will swatch these for you because I probably haven't swatched them for you in a while. And then the last shadow in here is shadow number 7, this pale mint, and that one I have used 3 times this month as well. It is in the inner half of my lid underneath the golden yellow shade. This golden green shade. It is in there to lighten up the look, and that has brought me to 10 uses in total for that shade. And let me get a good swatch of that because it is a very light shade. There are swatches of those 3 colors. So we have 11 uses, 10 uses, and 10 more uses to go on each of those. And then sticking with eyeshadows, I have the Sapphire for September palette, and I brought in the shade Confidence, which is this green right here. And I have used it 3 times this month. Sorry, I'm like trying to swatch and tell you numbers at the same time. 3 times this month, bringing me to a total of 7 uses. So I have 13 uses to go, and that is that shade there. So that's more of a true Kelly green. We've got the mint green. This is a cooler blue green that's closer to true green, but it's also a satin shimmer. And then we've got the yellow green shiny metallic, whatever, shimmer. Shiny, metallic, shimmer, satin, whatever. It's pretty. All right, next we get into nail polish. The first nail polish is the shade Lucky. I did not use it this month, but I do have a swatch of it here. It is this bright yellow-green shade there. My goal is to use it 10 times. So far I've used it 3. Next is Rise and Shine by Sinful Colors, and I did use that once this month. It made a little bit of progress. I don't know if you can see, there's a little black line underneath that other line. There's a little bit of progress, and that is that shade right there. It does have a matte finish out of the bottle. And if you shine a direct light on it, it does have some shimmers, but for the most part, it's pretty much a cream. And I used that once this month, so that brings me to 4 uses in total on that one, so 6 more uses to go. Next up, if you watched my empties for last month, I would have shown this, and it's a spoiler for this. So I am calling it done on my bergamot and sage candle. I burned it one last time after the last update, and the glass on the bottom started getting warm, and I figured that's close enough to the bottom, and it sooted, you know. So the smell was nice, the sooting was not. I'm hoping that this was a one-time where it just had a faulty wick, because the wick kept splitting the whole way down. So we'll see. I kept saying I'm not going to use this brand, but I'm hoping it's just this one candle, and I am going to try some other ones from this brand and see if it does the same thing in the same style. I do have another candle from this brand that I will be talking about shortly, and it doesn't seem to be having the same problem, but it's also a different style of candle. So yeah, we'll see. But this is done, so that is rolling out. Put that to the side because it's big and in the way. All right, next up is my nail polish remover. It is the Cutex Care Nourishing Nail Polish Remover, and I have used it 5 times over the last month, and we're getting down there. So I'm going to say maybe 2 more months, and this will be done. Unless there's a month I just don't paint my nails, but yeah, it's making progress. My goal is to finish that. Next up, for more nail polishes, I have from Law Beauty Net Worth How Much. That is dark green. This one right here almost matches my hair. It is a dark green nail polish. I used that once this month, bringing me to a total of 3 uses. No visible change in the bottle, so I didn't grab it. And then the last nail polish is from Avon. It is Teal Waters. It is this one right here, this light metallic pearl teal. And so far in the project, I've only used it once. So 9 more uses to go on that, and 7 more uses to go on the Net Worth How Much. Next up, we have from Queen Helene's Mint Julep Mask. This is a clay mask, and over the last month I used it once. So just the teeny tiniest amount of change on that. If I use this probably, you know, I don't know, 2 or 3 more uses, this will be finished, but so far it is going along. I've used it 4 times in this project. I think I brought it in, it was brand new. So we'll see, 3 or 4 more uses to go on that. Next, we have from Pacifica the Ocean Citrus Spray. That is this body and pillow spray with vanilla lavender or vanilla lemon. I decanted it from this bottle. I basically use this as a room spray. I decanted it from this bottle into this little, it's a recycled Poopery bottle. And I've been using this as a bathroom spray. It is, since the weather is getting cooler, the bathroom window is closed more often, and I share the bathroom with other people. And sometimes the bathroom smells. So I am taking this to the bathroom with me and giving it a little spritz when it needs it. When I decanted it into this bottle, it was all the way up to here, and now we are down to here. I used it 9 times this month. That's pretty good, getting a lot more use out of it that way. And I'm guessing with that amount of use, this will probably be done by the next update. And also from Pacifica, I have the Enchanted Woods perfume. Woods are green. Also, the decorations on this bottle are dark green. My goal is to use all this up, as sad as that is. I really enjoy this fragrance, but we made the slightest bit. If you can see the silver mark, we went down to the black mark. I have used it 3 times this month, and I really enjoy it, and I'll be sad when it's gone, but you know, hopefully I'll be able to get something else, get more of it. I think it's been discontinued. I'll either get something else that smells just as good. And finally, the last thing I have that I've been currently working on is my Mario Badescu facial spray. I have been decanting part of this into another travel size bottle, and I was like, I'm going to mark it after that one's empty. I just went ahead and marked it after the last update where it was then with what was decanted and what I used from this bottle. And that is where we were at. Since the last update, I have used it 23 more times, and we are down to there. So a couple more months with this, and that will be good. This one is an aloe, chamomile, and lavender. All right, so that is everything I have been working on. Only one rollout, and that is the candle. So that brings me to, I don't know, 22 minus 6. That's 16 products. I'm going to bring in 3 more. If I'm wrong with maths, don't come at me. I'm just doing math off the top of my head. I didn't think about this. So I'm bringing in 3 new products. First off, I couldn't wait. I was going to bring this in, and then I was like, I have to burn a candle. And so this started off brand new. This is from Chesapeake Bay. This is Mind and Body Candle, and it is Escape and Discover with Gualac wood sap. That guy there. So this is the same company as the big one, but it doesn't seem to soot as much. The wick does seem to be doing wicky things, but it's doing okay. The scent on this one is very subtle, but it has this beautiful green glass, and the candle is white. I'm really enjoying it. I wish it had more of a scent to it. It is very subtle, but it is nice. And yeah, I've already burned about half of it. So I'm going to keep burning that until I can't anymore, and then we'll use it all up. Next, we're going a little odd, and I'm bringing in this guy here, my hair color. This is by Arctic Fox. This is Phantom Green. This bottle is brand new, unopened. I bought this when I changed my hair color, but my daughter, who dyed my hair, had the same color, so we used hers up before opening mine. So this will be my color refresh. This is the color I currently have on the bottom of my hair. The top is a black-blue mixture. It looks like it was a little spotty in some places. But this is my hair color, and I'm going to bring this in to use up. Yeah. Hair color is green. And then finally, the last thing is this little travel size of Hemp's. This is their coconut and watermelon moisturizer. and it has green on the label. And this is unused, brand new. And I'm bringing this in to finish as well. Actually, what does that smell like? Oh, that's nice. Like, I don't remember if I smelled it in the store before buying it. I'm just like, oh, coconut and watermelon sounds good. But yeah, I've been trying a lot of these travel size ones because I'm trying to find which scent I like the best. We'll see. This will be in to use up. So that is everything. That brings me up to 25 products brought in and 7 products completed. You do the math. I'm not going to. Okay, that's 18 products I'm working on, I think, if I did the math right. So yeah, and we're about halfway through the year, halfway through the project. So 25 products brought in, that's good. I have 25 more products to bring in and 6 more months to do it in. So yeah, wish me luck. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a great big thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to be true to you. Also, don't forget to be spooky, because it's spooky season, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, 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 bye. Goodbye.